What's up, guys? Sean here from Srkcycles, and I am under a bridge. I'm in a place that you have never seen before on this video. I'm driving a 2014 Can-Am. Me and Caleb just stopped at Primanti Brothers to grab lunch. He is driving my Expedition, and I'm gonna see if you can get there faster. I'm gonna see if we can get back to the shop faster. He loves my Expedition. Oh no, my helmet's not. Hold on, I gotta buckle up my helmet. There's no point in wearing a helmet if you're not gonna buckle it up. Alright guys, so this is one of my Motovlogs on a Can-Am Spyder. What do we talk about today other than smoking Caleb? Alright, watch this, watch this, watch this. Wow, that thing's like spinning tires at 50 miles an hour. That is sweet. It is cold outside, so I don't, that doesn't seem unrealistic. But impressive nevertheless. I'm bigger than that car right there. He knows it, I knows it. Oh, so we were just, I don't know if you guys saw the video, but we were just at the auction. It's actually a municipal public auction, and we saw some school buses go by. And we could have bought a school bus for 2,200 bucks. I was really thinking about it, but I just don't have a place to put it. Whenever we find like a new Srkcycles shop with tons of land and tons of room, we will absolutely have a school bus. I just don't see why we wouldn't. All the cool things we could do with school buses. Here's one of my ideas. We take half the seats. Sorry, I got a hiccups. We take half the seats out. We cut the back off. And we turn the back into like a ramp door. We take it to like a trailer company. We make them put a ramp door on the back. That would be like on a big trailer. Bam. School bus, toy hauler. Think about it. It's been done before. It's nothing that crazy. Caleb had one of those Land Cruisers just like that. It's nothing that even insane. Ooh, I8. So question for you guys. At what temperature do you stop riding motorcycle? And do you still enjoy riding motorcycle when it's freezing cold? Or is it just kind of one of those things that you do it for the story? Or you do it because you have to? You do it out of necessity? Or you just kind of bear through it? For me, I mean, it's not as much fun. I like being out in the weather. This actually feels pretty good, but I'm not really dealing with too much cold. I got fairings and I'm all covered up, you know. So this actually isn't bad. I mean, I've got my visor up. I mean, this is like driving in a this is probably more comfortable than driving in a convertible, because this, they know you're gonna have the top down. But normally I don't do that much riding in the wintertime. But because I gotta make videos, I ride, I jump out there. I just make sure I got somewhat decent gear on. I'm actually, everyone's telling me that Klim, K-L-I-M, makes the best gear for winter stuff. They make a lot of the products for snowmobiles. And I believe them. I talked to a guy and he was ranting and raving about them. And their stuff is crazy expensive. But the jacket I've been wearing lately, I wear my hoodie, I wear my Bikes and Beards hoodie, which is very similar to most other hoodies. You know, just because it has my logo on it is not making it any warmer. I wear my Bikes and Beards hoodie. And then I've been wearing this like an idiot. I got the vents open. I've been wearing this built from Cycle Gear mesh jacket. This is actually the jacket I bought for the summertime, and but it's got a winter liner inside that you took out for the summertime. Might make it even warmer. And I'm actually pretty warm in it. It's pretty decent. I've ridden in, you know, like mid-30s, and I feel fine. And these fairly inexpensive gloves that I got from Costco, these leather gloves, they really break the wind out. And then, you know, you got insulated pants and stuff. But other than that, that's normally it. Although I do have an issue with fogging up, with my my goggles fogging up. That is a concern of mine, and it does happen. But that's why you just kind of crack it a little bit. So I was wondering what you guys do. What you guys do and how you guys protect yourself in the wintertime, and do you even ride in the wintertime? And if you don't, make sure you at least keep your bike on a tender. We're probably going to do another video on the Srkcycles channel about how to prepare your bike for the winter. Alright guys, that wraps up this motovlog. I am Sean. Don't forget to check out the website. We just had a very nice business meeting at the Permane Brothers. They just opened up a Permane Brothers in town, in Lancaster County, and it was alright. You know, everyone's been talking, it was talked up so much, I thought it was alright. Maybe I just didn't get the right sandwich or something. But we're talking about some new giveaway stuff, some new motorcycle giveaway stuff, and I'm pretty pumped. It's very exciting stuff. You guys are gonna like it too, trust me. We're actually thinking about taking it off the Patreon platform. So stay tuned, keep on subscribing. Remember, it's not what you're riding, but where you're going, and always look down in the description to see what we got going on below. All right, guys. What's up, guys? Sean here from Bikes and Beards YouTube channel. To subscribe, click right here. To see more content, click down here. To check out our cool Bikes and Beards gear at bikesandbeardsgear.com, link in the description box below. We'll see you guys later.